Welcome. In this short video tutorial, we show you how easy it is to use the NGC CLI or NGC portal to download a model from NGC. Let's get started. To access the NGC pre-trained models, from the left navigation pane, click Models. The model page opens. It's worth noting that the NVIDIA AI Enterprise Catalog also includes models that are only available to NVIDIA AI Enterprise customers. In this video, we download the Riva punctuation pre-trained model, which predicts a punctuation mark that should follow the word, if any. The model supports commas, periods, and question marks. It predicts if the word should be capitalized or not. To view the details of the model, click Riva punctuation. The Riva punctuation page opens and provides all the details you need to start using the model with the Riva framework. In this video, we do not cover model usage, but rather show you the workflow to access the model either through the NGC portal or via the NGC CLI. To download the model, click Download. There are two ways to download the model. Recall that you can download the model via the UI or via the NGC CLI. First, we show you how to download the model via the UI. To download via your browser, click Browser Direct Download. The model downloads to your local system. You can transfer the zip file of the model to the destination system and consult the model documentation on the model page on how to use it. Alternatively, you may want to download the model straight to your system that hosts your NGC containers. To copy the command string to download the model through the NGC CLI, click CLI. The command string is copied to your clipboard. In your server terminal that has the NGC CLI installed and configured, type docker login nvcr.io and press enter. Now that you are logged into the NGC container registry, paste the command string copied from the NGC portal into the terminal and press enter. The download begins. In this instance, the download took about 26 seconds to download a 628 megabyte file. To confirm the download, type ls. A directory containing the model is shown. Change to the directory and validate that the model exists. Type ls and press enter to validate that the model file exists. You can consult the documentation regarding usage of the model. This workflow is the same for any model or resource you need to download. Let's recap what was done in this video. We downloaded a pre-trained model from the NGC portal. We downloaded the same model via the NGC CLI. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.